Here it is, the seed haul you've been waiting for coming up. Step into my van and let's talk about seeds. These are ones that I'm gonna have to start indoors in order to grow. So Golden Acre cabbage, Waltham 29 broccoli, and Utah tall celery. I am doing another watermelon patch next year. If you haven't seen the watermelon patch, check out previous videos here on the channel. Golden honeymoon melon, Haley's best melon, crimson sweet watermelon, jubilee watermelon, all sweet watermelon, and we are actually adding the black diamond watermelon next year. These are all flowers. Let's see what we got. Cosmos, the Sensation Mix. Cosmos Sensation Mix. Nasturtium Jewel Mix. Indian Spring Hollyhock. California Giant Zinnias. Autumn Beauty Sunflower. Velvet Queen Sunflower. Lemon Queen Sunflower. I want to grow more pumpkins next year. One's for carving, one's for eating, one's for decorating. So we have the small ornamental gourd mix, the Jack B. Little pumpkin, how adorable. Howden pumpkin is for carving. Delicata squash is for eating. That's a winter squash. And Amish pie squash we're going to eat. New to me. These are all seeds that we can direct sow either in the spring, the summer, or the fall. So we have butter crunch lettuce, a gourmet blend lettuce, golden Detroit beet, Detroit dark red beet. This is a Valentine's Day blend radish. This is French breakfast radish. This is actually 1 ounce of seeds right here that I got for less than $3. Early scarlet globe radish. There's a store local to me that's closing. Scarlet Nantes carrot is a 68-day. We will plant that in the spring. Danvers 126 carrot is a 75-day carrot. I want to plant that in the summer. And then here is a little finger carrot, 55-day, and I want that in the fall. These are crops that I can direct sow, or I can even transplant. And I would like to grow these in the fall because they are frost hardy for the most part. This is Ford Hook Swiss chard, rainbow Swiss chard, and lacinato kale. That's that dinosaur kale. For the herbs, I did pick up some cilantro. Now here comes the big packs of stuff. So I have Green Arrow shelling pea, 69-day, 1 pound. And this we will plant in the spring. And I also do a Wando pea for shelling, 70 days. And this I'll plant in the spring. That is also a pound. Now I do have this little pack. It's a 1/4 pound. Night pea shelling, 58-day. And these we will plant in the fall because they're supposed to be faster. Big packs. These are contender beans. This is a bush bean. This is 1 pound, 49 days it says. And we're going to do this for our green beans, our fresh eating beans. This is the Roma 2 bean. This is a bush bean, which is nice. There's no trellis needed. 1 pound. And this is a 53-day. We're going to grow these to full maturity to then dry and harvest what you see here. Have them on the shelf for the soups, the stews, the chili, whatever we need them for. This one you might recognize. This is a pinto bean, 85 days. This is 1 pound. I'm going to grow these to dry them, to fully mature and dry them. But is it a bush? I don't actually know. Here is another 1 pound of beans. This is actually called Provider Bean Bush. And I looked it up, and you can grow them for green beans or grow them for full maturity to then dry. They actually look like a black bean. So I would like to grow them to dry. I actually want to go back and buy more seeds because there's such a good sale. Make sure you are subscribed to see us plant these next year here at the garden. I do not live at my garden. I drive 15 minutes to go to the property where I have the gardens at. I have monthly garden tours and weekly gardening live streams. I'd love to see you there. Drop a comment below. Are you buying seeds for next year yet? 2026 garden season.